Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about how to use CV2 and what CV2 is used for. So first of all, CV2 is used for opening your camera and getting information from that, as well as putting information on to the camera. Um, and you can see here, I import CV2 as it is a module, and um, you can also use CP2 for AI um, to detect things from with XML uh, files, and I use CAP to get the video capture, and um, this reads the frames. So each frame it gets the frames, and here I convert to grayscale, and um, so this basically detects the cat faces, and uh, it detects faces of different sizes here. And here it draws a rectangle around the face, or around where it sees the face. And then here it displays the image. Um, and if you press ESC, then it would break, or close the window, and then it would delete any data. And here I get an image called cat1.jpg, which is this cat here. And um, what happens is I get the gray version and the color version of that image. And then I get the data, which is the hard cascade file. Should be here. And then basically what the hard cascade file, it just tells the computer what kind of like what a cat should look like. And you can see here I have a lot of images to test. There aren't You can make your own hard cascade files, but there are some online that you can use. And um, here I just draw the rectangle around the cat, and then I show the image in color. Um, so that's CV2, and you can see these XML files that basically use is the AI code to find if an image is a cat or like a live image. Um, there's also, you can see here I have stop sign, a stop sign XML hard cascade file that also just gives all the physical properties of a stop sign. So that's CV2. Um, I will put some resources into the description, and please subscribe. Thank you.